What's going on, YouTube? We back at it, man. We got Monday, Get Money Mondays, man. We got to get to it and make it happen. So today we are in the garage. I'm about to go ahead and take the 2015 out today. Not right now. I'm gonna do it later today. Try to go on another test ride on this joint right here, so we can get that thing on the way and see how this thing is gonna perform for the second ride. Everything should be good. I'm hoping for the best. We're gonna go to Harley, get the last few things. I ordered a windshield. I don't know when it's gonna come. And go ahead and get that blinker and that light right there. Besides that, that thing is going to be 100% ready for the new owner. Hopefully this week I should be up out there delivering this thing. So stay tuned for that video, man. We're going to have that thing on the way coming real soon. Real soon. But besides that, we still got the silver bullet giveaway going. Make sure I enter the win into that if you haven't done it yet. We only got so many spots left. All you got to do is go in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel. Copy any of the SLIDN, not HIDN hats, red or blue. Any of those two is going to get you 2 spots into the giveaway. We got the SLIDN patches with 1 spot, 1 patch. So understand that. That's the thing about it. We got the hats for 50, the patches for 25. Get what you need, get 3. You may get first or second place. But anyway, we got first place, the 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide right here, powder coated, looking good. Just waiting on the motor and a few other little things. But we got everything on the way, getting complete. Today's going to be the day we try to get that thing all 100% of the parts we at least have on hand right here on the stand. But besides that, we stripped our second place 2015 Roadglide apart. I'm gonna go ahead and get that leg off today. Take the bars off. I'm gonna start wiring the handlebars because I gotta wire up the 2019 handlebars since we got those back from the powder coat shop. So we're gonna get all that on the way, man, so everything can be complete. But make sure y'all get in and win it, man. We're trying to get this thing on the way and going. But y'all see what's going on. We making it happen every day out here in the garage, getting to it, man. I'm telling you, it's about to be a good day. We gotta just get to it and make it happen, man. I appreciate y'all for watching and supporting, getting in with your boy, man, because I'm telling you, I know y'all could be watching anybody's channel, but y'all tuned in with your boy Dre, man. So we about to get to it today. Y'all see what's going on. So if anybody have one of these two for an M8, let me know. Shoot me an email or shoot me a comment. That or inner primary. But besides that, we about to go ahead and assemble these powder coated legs back onto the bike. I bought some brand new black cans from Harley, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. Besides that, we got the legs over there. We're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's get to it. So we finally got our cans out of the bag, out of the box. This fresh black look amazing. Fresh from the dealership. We got those freshly powder coated, so it's all going together. Got the tubes, about to get the grease, put it all together, and get it going, man. Stay tuned. These things look so good, y'all don't even know. Loving it. we done made some progress on the 2019 Roadglide that we're giving away. It's always end up like this. It's something that holds me back that I do not have, but I'm honestly glad we at least got these legs powder coated because they look so much better on the bike complete. We already had these legs, but they were gray like that. Now we got them powder coated black, just like on this 2015 Roadglide right here. It gives it a whole complete different look. We still gonna black out that crash bar, but you'll see we got the black rim, the black forks, the black cans, black bars, everything looks good. So that's what we going with on here. That's why we got the powder coated cans with the legs, the black console, a few other black pieces that'll be in the front, but stay tuned, man. We're gonna have this thing coming together looking better and better, more and more. I would put the bars on, but I usually had a gang of these next. I don't know what happened. I gotta check the back storage, but I can't use this one because it got that little bump. I could grind it and do it. I just honestly don't want to deal with that right now. So I'm gonna try to see if I can look in the back. So with that being said, we're gonna hold back and wait to finish assembling the headlight, the dash, and all that good stuff. I can do it really fast, but it's no point of doing that when I still have to disassemble all of that to put the bars onto there. So we're gonna go ahead and start wiring those tonight. That way tomorrow we can have the bars on here, just so when the motor and everything come, everything could be fully wired up 100% so we can get a start up on this thing. So that's the whole thing about that. We're trying to get everything on the way. I for sure most likely should be grabbing those rims from LA this week for sure. That's another reason why I wanted to get the forks and everything fully assembled, just so when I get the wheels, I can throw them on there and we'll be waiting just for the motor. So understand that, man. I'm trying to get this bike 100% for y'all so y'all can really see the full image. But like I said, every day I add more and do more, y'all can get a better visual of what it'll look like. So that's how we going with that. I'm about to go ahead and finish working on the other 2015 over there and get the other leg off because I want to break those off and get those to the powder coat tomorrow along with a few other parts. So this is still damaged, but I can take the sliders off, get those to the powder coat. I got these hand covers right here for our 2019. I'm about to powder coat those. I'm gonna do those orange since we're gonna have the black handlebars. So it's just things like that we've been doing, just trying to get all the right details so nothing look too much of one. We want everything to blend and look good. That's the whole thing about it. But like I said, everything is coming together little and little. So little by little. So just stay tuned, man. We're going to have everything coming and going. Like I said, I'm about to go ahead and get back to it and get these bikes on the way, man. So I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, dog. Joint got it looking good. We're about to have this thing 100% sooner than y'all think, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to get this thing on the way. We got this thing right here looking good, sounding good. I'm gonna go ahead and get that last blinker and everything else. But y'all see the progress, man. We came from nothing to something. All in the garage off $50. This could be you too. Hey, that winter in Sacramento, you one lucky guy, I swear. I love to be sliding this joint every day, but it's good, man. I'm happy my work came out looking as good and sounding good like it did. We got a little bit of rain, but we're about to try it out. See how it works out, y'all. We got the cameras too, so we in the game. bike needed that ride, y'all. That was dope. That wasn't even nothing, but that was everything for me. Oh, that was dope. Yes, sir, man. So, yeah, like I said, I wasn't trying to go on a super crazy ride. I had to just go over this bike because last time I rode, I thought I heard something a little crazy in the primary or something. So that still wasn't a full thing I want to do because it's raining and the ground is wet and super slippery. So I don't want to get ahead of myself right now and do something I'm going to regret. So we're going to wait till later today or tomorrow when it's not raining and get a real ride on this thing. But y'all see how that thing is sounding and looking, man. I swear to you, that clutch is ready to go. I don't know what clutches they put in there when they built that motor, but that thing is ready to go. I swear to you, dude. I really love the way this bike sound and look. I can't wait to see this bike up next and this one following right after. This is the 3 stages they come in. I'm telling y'all, man, literally. They come in like this, buzz down. We get it going like that with the frame. Then it ends up something like this, if not better. That's why we got to keep it going. I cannot wait, man. I have to get my other GoPro mount, bring that thing out. But y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get back to it and get the house going. Like I said, man, make sure y'all enter win into the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We are almost sold out. We are almost there trying to get this thing on the way. You already know what's going on. You got to enter the win description below. Got first and second place. The truck and the bike up for first. Second place, we got the Roadglide right there. So understand that, man. You could be out here sliding just like my guy, man, about to be headed to Sacramento, California. So shout out to Cali, man. Cali supporting your boy. I'm from Cali, so it's all love at the end of the day. Y'all know what's going on. But I appreciate everybody, any state, wherever you at, supporting your boy Dre, man. I'm telling you, it's all love at the end of the day. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. We're about to get to it. I got a gang of powder coated parts. I need the powder coat right there. I was honestly gonna go to LA tomorrow, but I'm about to find a shop by the house. I ain't about to keep doing this drive. So we about to try to experience some new networking today and see how that goes. So stay tuned for that, man. We sliding, not hiding. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all see what's going on.